In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Grubhub app. So first, download the app. Now that you've downloaded the Grubhub app, hit search nearby and enter in your location. Okay, here we have an advertisement. The good old days of Grubhub. This is basically a weekly offer of food, snacks, and more through November 22nd. Hit unlock 0 delivery fee or hit dismiss. With Grubhub, you have to create an account. If you already have an account, then hit sign in. If you don't have an account, then enter in your email and hit continue. Okay, so this is the homepage, which is one of the 4 different icons. This is where you can start your order. Next is rewards. This is where you can rack up points and eventually earn a free meal. For orders, you shouldn't have any because this is your first time ordering on the app. And last but not least, account. This is where all of your personal information will be. This is just Grubhub asking if you would like to receive notifications so that you can receive real-time order updates. If you want push notifications, hit allow. If not, hit no thanks. Start the day. This is where I'm going to start, and I'm just going to see, IHOP. And they have a 0 delivery fee for orders of $15 or more. Let's check it out. So let's dive in. IHOP is an American breakfast with a star rating of 4.1 stars, and it's open now. Group order is something that Grubhub, Uber Eats, and DoorDash are now offering. Now, if you back up the video, the whole reason why I clicked on IHOP is because of the 0 delivery fee. Now, with delivery and pickup for this particular restaurant, it would actually be faster if you had this delivered to you. But anyways, that's enough about IHOP. If you select pickup, you'll get a map with the restaurants closest to you. Another thing that you can do when ordering your food is select offers. This is where you'll be able to see the deals that are applied. Options that we do have here are Living Room Coffee House, Cali Boys Deli, and of course, IHOP. There's also a taco shop, chicken and waffles, just to name a few. For my order, I'm gonna go with Lupe's Mexican Eatery. And I really only picked this for 2 reasons. 1, I wanted Mexican, and the pictures, of course. So they got a couple of different things you can choose from chips, fries, and plate. If you already know what you want, then you can search it here, which is good because you can shorten the time for your order. If you select this icon, it will give you a different format to look at the menu. After going through the menu, I'm going to select the Bria chips. Once I've added in my toppings and hit add to bag, hit view order to complete the final steps in your order. So I have a 2 taco combo and a drink as well. So all in all, this order came out to be $34.57. And now I know I'm going to need utensils, so I'm going to add that in as well. Now depending on how you're feeling, you can add a $1 tip, you can add a $2 tip, you can add a $3 tip. And if you want to go crazy, you can go ahead and add in a $4 tip and show them some love with $4. If you want to customize it, go ahead and hit customize and then enter in your tip amount. Once you've done it, just hit OK. Once you've looked over your order and if everything looks good, go ahead and hit checkout. Enter in your first name and last name and add in your phone number. Then hit continue to address information. This is just the app giving you one more chance to review your order to make sure that everything looks okay. If everything does, hit review order. Then hit continue to checkout. Now this is where you can leave instructions for the driver and add in your payment method. If you have any gift cards, you can add them here as well. To finalize your order, add in your payment method, then hit checkout. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace!